Hello Blossoms and random internet passerbyers, Cherry here. In this video, I'm going to be showing you what it's like to film a solo K-pop dance cover video in Korea. First things first, we have to get out of the countryside, away from the rice fields, and into the big city where all the dance studios are. It is literally so quiet out here. And even though we are in the countryside, we do have access to the train. So it takes me about an hour to get into Seoul, at least this particular part of Seoul that I'm going to today. But it's super easy because it's just one straight line, so no transfers.
I'm in the dance practice room. I'm going to record my dance today, Pop by NAYEON. I'm using my phone recording this right now because I brought 4 batteries with me for my camera and only one of them is fully charged. So I don't know how long it's gonna take for the rest of the 3 to finish charging. I brought the charger, so hopefully if the one that I'm using now dies, the other ones are ready. 12:30-ish right now. I booked this room from 12 o'clock to 2 o'clock. And in this particular studio, there's only 3 rooms, and I think I'm literally the only one here. I actually came here like maybe 15 minutes ago. So I was a little late because I got here on like 12:15. And there was someone in here and I was like, oh my gosh, this is so awkward. Like I have to confront them. Like I'm scared. But I just knocked on the door and the person just understood and just like left. So that was good. I'm just now realizing this ceiling is very artistic.
Before we start filming the dance, let me show you what I packed with me for today. When I go filming, I usually bring this small carry-on suitcase because it's a lot easier to roll around public transportation than walking while carrying a really heavy backpack. I brought 2 pairs of shoes for options, my dress, bike shorts, accessories, makeup, and socks. The key accessories I have for my outfit were white sheer gloves that had some sparkly beads sewn on them, and a lacy ribbon for a scarf and also for a headband. This fabric I cut off from my apartment curtains. My curtains were really long and touched the ground, so I trimmed them and I realized the excess fabric could make cute accessories. So that's what I did.
I've not been feeling the most confident this year because I'm on this battle against this weight that I gained, and honestly I am trying to lose weight, and I know it's not fun to talk about, and I know it sucks to like fall into society's standards of beauty, but I can't find a lot of good things to wear that I have, and I don't want to buy new clothes. I've already bought new clothes. This is a new dress, and to be honest, it is from Shein. It's from Shein. I needed to buy cheap clothes that were at a little bit larger size for me, so it's it's overall a very upsetting situation and experience and way of life, but I'm trying to move past. I hate talking about it, but I have to be honest, like it's why I haven't really been motivated to film any dance videos this year, because I'm just like, I don't want to see what I look like on the camera. But this is me turning everything around. I think I figured out what I have made like a breakthrough in like my journey. And so I'm just gonna push through and keep doing what I've been doing because I have been seeing some results, and it's not unhealthy and it's not crash dieting, it's just changing some habits. So I used to be really good at not doing certain things, but I broke those habits, and those habits got worse during the pandemic and got worse last year. And now I'm seeing the results and I want to change that. So that's what's happening. So I've been like nervous about wanting to film this dance because I'm just like, I don't want to see what I look like. I need to film this dance. I need to get back into the groove of things, and the weight will just come off eventually. Sorry, but like this is my diary. This is what I'm going through. This is my thoughts and feelings. This is the dress that I'm wearing. It's really nothing special. I wanted to wear something else, but the skirt was too short, so I went with this regular dress. She wears red, so like it kind of matches the theme. Ta-da! Okay, this is the full outfit now. I think it looks a lot better. I'm trying to go for kind of like a retro theme with this scarf. I also am using this little flappy bar to kind of like hide my chest a little, because like there are some movements where like your chest gets like squished. Sorry, I'm modest. Anyway, I think it looks really cute, and I have these lacy gloves. Yes, this is what everything looks like that I'm using. I brought some extra things like extra necklaces and clips that I wanted to try, but I don't think I need them. Please charge faster. God, I'm scared. I think this is a good camera angle. I cannot see myself in the viewfinder. It's like so far away. This is too low, I think. Let me just record a take, and then we'll just see how it goes.
While I get through these first takes, I'll explain my tips for solo recording. So first of all, wireless headphones are a game changer. I could blast the music on speakers, which were included in the room, but if I hear everything around me, I'm gonna get distracted. I'm gonna hear random bumps or background noises, and it's gonna throw me off. Especially since I always feel this nervousness about filming in dance studios in the back of my head. Yes, it is a private room, and I think I could have locked the door if I wanted to, but I always worry that someone is gonna knock on the door and ask me a question about something, or maybe I did something wrong and the owner wants to talk to me, because as you can see in that upper right corner, that is CCTV, a security camera. So the owner of the place or the security person, whoever is watching me, okay? So I don't know if I might have broken a rule or something in here that I didn't know about. So that's what I'm always worried about. But if I have my headphones in, I can't hear the door being knocked on. I can't hear anything. All I hear is the music, so I can get into the zone and fully lose myself in the dance. And this would not have been possible before 2020, because I feel like 2020 was when like wireless headphones became more accessible. But yeah, just get a cheap pair. That's the easiest thing for me to work with.
I just reviewed the footage for my first take, and I think I did okay. I think I'm just gonna like look at myself in the mirror while I do the dance, because I think it'll look cleaner that way, because the camera is like right in front of the mirror. So at first I didn't want it to look like I wasn't looking at the camera, but I think it'll look like I'm still looking at the camera even if I look in the mirror. I think it's okay. I don't know, like I kind of wish I practiced more, but then at the same time it's like, well, I am doing the moves like from memory confidently. I just kind of wish it was sharper and cleaner, but hopefully with this next take it'll be okay. But I think now I'm just gonna try to like do one more full take, hopefully that's like perfect, and then just do it in sections where I can like really go all out, and then I'll be able to like piece it together. I don't know if I'll be able to have like time for like multiple camera angles. We'll see. We'll see. Accessories are holding up though, so that's good. Let's do this. Okay. I think this is better. I want this to look more fluffy, but it's like moving around a lot. Okay, I have to fix my posture more too. Alright, take 2.
As you can see now, I switched my shoes out. I like the look of the heeled shoes a lot more, but they were really uncomfortable to dance in, especially because 1, they were super cheap, 2, they weren't broken into at all. But the flat lace-up boots are a lot more comfortable. I've actually never even worn these lace-up boots outside before, and I don't think I ever will, because look at how white they are. I am so scared of them getting dirty. So expect to see these in another dance video, because that's all I'll be wearing them for. Also, look at how crooked this shot is. I definitely like rotated it over in the final edit of the video, but like look at how funny it looks.
Okay, I just reviewed the second take, and it's very obvious I'm not looking at the camera. But I think next I'm just gonna do the individual parts. I really want this to be like a, no, I guess it's fine. I wanted like multiple camera angles, but I don't really think it's all that necessary because like my other videos don't always have that. So I think it's fine. So I'm gonna do like different takes, and this is gonna be for like my dance cover edit where I splice together different parts, but try to make it look seamless. And then I do wanna upload another video that's like just a perfect one take. So I think I'm gonna focus on the parts first, and then I'm gonna do one more full take, one take. I'm like looking right at the security camera while I'm talking. Oh my gosh, it's 1:18. So I wanna wrap everything up by 1:45. That should be enough time. There is a bathroom so I can like change. I just wanna like, I don't want the people coming in here next to see me all dressed. Okay, enough blabbing. Let's do our sections. Okay, sections.
I kind of feel like I'm cheating when I film like this, where I take multiple takes and just piece them together, but that's pretty much what everyone else does. However, I still really like to get at least one really good, almost sort of perfect one take, because I do like to think of my dance cover videos kind of like a performance. And in a performance, you only got one shot. Do not hesitate. This opportunity goes once in a lifetime. You better lose yourself in the moment. Okay, that's enough of that. Let's shift over to like a little bit more serious tone. While we get these final takes in, I want to touch more on the whole body issues thing. Although I may have felt the way that I felt about myself, I am proud of myself for pushing myself to just keep it pushing and confront my issues with my appearance. I really do believe in myself, and I think I truly shine the brightest while in dancing, so don't worry about me hating myself or thinking low about myself. I just fell into a funk, but that's the thing, and it's easier said than done. But if you push yourself to get out of your comfort zone and try to achieve something, you may be surprised with the results and like them way more than you expected.
Bonk.
Afterwards, I was so tired, and honestly, I was feeling a little worried about how editing would go. Like, would I end up hating how I looked so much that I wouldn't want to bother uploading it? Well, I guess you could say the opposite happened. Take a look. And there you have it. You made it this far, so thanks so much for watching. The full dance cover is up on my K-pop dance cover channel, so please check it out and let me know what you think over there. I'm super late uploading this because, like I mentioned, this was filmed in 2022 and I'm uploading this in 2023, but I hope you gained some inspiration for solo video filming if that's something you've been curious about. And as always, you'll see me in the next video if you decide to click on. Bye!